everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Genesis from the 8th to the 12th of December 2025 on Monday. Owethu is hit with difficult facts about an entanglement when this fight with her brother over their home is kicked up a notch. Fistos wants a chance to make his life means something on Tuesday. A shattered trust threatened to unravel everything Owethu believed. Wendy wants Mpumi to choose a dark horse, and while Fistos readies himself for a new chapter, Nandipha carries a secret that could change everything. On Wednesday, Gabriel throws a spinner in the works, threatening the success of the hour. Mpumi's enemy is closer than she thinks. Fistos prepares for chapter in his life that forces him to open old wounds on Thursday. When this sets the whole world on fire post Maruna's attack, Mpumi discovers a snake in the grass. Fistos exist in a baby battle on Friday. Bongo's heart is caught between two fierce women. Tension boil over between Wendy and Mpumi as the family secret threaten to tear them apart. Gabriel faces public humiliation while Bishop Hlope uncovers a devastating secret. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.